What is going on, everybody? We just got invited to the Newell Coach Factory in Miami, Oklahoma. Now, every time we go to Miami, Oklahoma, you know we're gonna see some of the coolest stuff in the motor coach industry. Over the last few visits, we've seen coaches like the coach with the cold plunge tub, a steam shower, and a dry sauna, all in the rear bathroom. We also recently saw a mid-entry bath and a half coach, and all kinds of super cool specs, some cool VIP coaches lately. So every time we get to go to Newell, I get really excited. But I wanted to make a quick video today asking you guys what you want to see on this next trip to the Newell Coach Factory. And also, what questions do you have for the Newell Coach reps? You guys are awesome at leaving comments, and I appreciate all of them, but usually we see the comments after the trip. So if you could ask the Newell Coach reps any question, please drop a comment below. Let me know what you think, and then let me know if there's any specific motorhomes you do want to see. So if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, it's definitely worth subscribing because some of the coolest RVs in the world are coming to the channel soon. I greatly appreciate all of you, and I hope you're all having a great day. Thanks again.